I am now on.
Jason from Auto Appraise, autoappraise.com, taking a test drive in a 1963 Corvette Roadster down in Detroit, Michigan today. It's May 5th, 2011. The car's a full frame off restoration. We're already up into fourth gear. We're going to try to get out of some heavy traffic here. Seems to shift really nice. The clutch is not jumping whatsoever. I went through an interior test a few moments ago. Everything's working. The horn, the wipers, turn signals inside, outside, radio. TAC is working as designed. I'm going to drop down into first gear once you hit me in the shifter there. About 40 miles an hour, we're turning about 2,300 Rs. Had a little bit of flutter in the TAC, but not bad. It's old mechanical drive TAC. It's all been rebuilt. It's a nice day for the top down. The car's showing 88,632 miles. It was a full frame off restoration that's had approximately 32 to 3,500 miles put on it since the time of restoration. There's literally no stone chips in the front end. The paint flowed out very nicely. It's an excellent lacquer job. Very clean all the way around. The still photos show that. The frame off was done to better than what I would consider NCRS standards. Paint daubs, chalk marks. Even the body bushings have been masking taped in place before the body was set back down. Car's got the original exhaust with original, well, style exhaust with original style heat shield still in place. Really a magnificent car, fully restored chrome using NOS components. Seems to be a good riding car. We're going to turn around and head down the road one more time. Just a little better. All right. We're doing about 55 and a 40, so we're going to back off a little bit, but the car wants to go. It definitely wants to haul down the road. Very nice performing, really well restored 1963 Corvette Roadster. All date code, original glass is in place. A very, very nice car. A very hard car to find any fault with. Jason from Auto Appraise, autoappraise.com. Let us know if we can do an inspection for you sometime.